Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our channel, Singh Amit Official. Today we have to discuss about the class 10 chemistry. And as we know that we have discussing the chapter, that is our chapter carbon and its compound. So guys, in previous section of video, we have to discuss about the term when you have to take the cyclic organic compound and its nomenclature. In today's section of video, we have to discuss about the another one meaning, that is our homologous series. Our topic is homologous series. Before discussing this topic, we have to learn that what do you mean by homo? This word homo tends to the word that means the condition, it is the substances in the terms that is similar in their formation. That means the substances are similar in their molecular formula, in terms of their general formula, and having their structure in terms of the same, having their chemical properties are same, but there is a difference with the CH2 group only, and there is the difference in their atomic masses is equal to 14 gram. That is the proper definition for the your term, that is homologous series. We have to write some point for the terms of homologous. We have to write the meaning of homologous tends to same or similar. In the term of definition, we have to write that the compounds are homologous to each other when their general formula is similar and its chemical properties are also similar, but there is difference between the group by CH2 units. That means we have to discuss that in terms of homologous. You have to write that means we have to discuss about the group that is similar. Its all chemical properties are also similar. Its general formula is also similar, Then what are the major difference here? So, but we have to discuss this in terms of homologous series. The major difference is tends about the CH2 units. Second one of this, that means there is difference between their formula weight by 14 grams. From where is 14 grams come? You have to discuss this. There is a difference between CH2 unit. That means the formula weight of this CH2 is tends to the 12 gram of carbon plus 1 into 2 gram of hydrogen is equal to 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 grams. That means this is the difference of 14 grams comes from the difference of CH2. That means your formula weight of CH2 is equal to 14 grams. How can you write the homologous? How can you understand the homologous word? You have to discuss the point. Homologous means similar in their chemical property, similar in their general formula, but there is a major difference of CH2 unit which is consecutively continuous in the complete series. There is a one and of the example here. We have to discuss about the example. Only single example I will discuss here. That is the example of alkene. You have to know this the word alkene. From what is the meaning of alkene? Alkene is the word which is tends to the saturated hydrocarbon. That means the word is derived from the saturated hydrocarbon. This is the word of alkene which have to tend that the hydrocarbon continue only carbon with the single bond arrangement. That means alkene tends to saturated hydrocarbon. Okay. Its general formula is equal to CnH2n plus 2, where N is the number of carbon atom, guys. Where N is the number of carbon atom. From this you can derive the terms of homologous. That is homologous of alkene. That is your first compound is methane. Having to see this is CH4 is this. Again from this you have to write ethane here. That is your C2H6. How can you say that these all are the homologous to each other? You have to see the major difference here. This is CH2. Number of one carbon atom is increased here. One carbon tends to two carbon. 4 hydrogen tends to 6 hydrogen. That means our proper definition of this homologous is consecutively generated, and we have to take one example for this for the better understanding. First of all, I am completely and I am continuously said you that for their formation you have already done to be remember this. You have to learn the concept of every definition. Never try to remember definition. You have to just understand the concept of definition, guys. Because the remembered things get forgotten very easily. But the understanding the concept is very consecutively and set in your mind. And from this you can write the definition anytime, anywhere. So guys, you have to learn the concept of homologous. That is the difference of CH2 group. There is a similarities between their general formula and their chemical properties are also seen. its skeletal gets changed due to consecutively increase in their carbon number atom. But this is not to be very different in thing. You have to learn about only the similar characteristic criteria here, guys. So you have to now take a screenshot. After that we have to discuss about the homologous series of alkene, alkene, alkyne. That's all here. So just take a note, take a screenshot of this. Okay guys, now I remove it. Okay guys, we have to discuss about the first homologous of alkene. We have discussed the example of homologous of alkene few minutes ago in terms of the example. That means having general formula is equal to CnH2n plus 2. The name of compound is similar in the way, that is your first compound is alkene. In terms of this is methane here, its formula is CH4. You have to write again ethene here, C2H6. There is a major difference of CH2 group. That means one carbon is increased. That means C comes C2, H4. That means you have to add 2 hydrogen in it. H4 becomes H6. Again, you have to write here propane. C3H8 is there. There is another CH2 difference in it. There is butane here. That means another C4H10, another again CH2 difference. We have discussed that the formula gate concept. That means formula gate is also get differ with the help of only 14 gram, guys. For the applying the concept of formula gate on this homologous, you have to write the first this formula with CH4, that is C12 CH4. 12 plus 1 into 4 is equal to 16 gram. Another one, C2H6 is here, C2H6 is here. That means we have to write 12 into 2 plus 1 into 6 is equal to 24 plus 6 is equal to 30 gram. We have discussed that in terms of homologous, there is a difference of their atomic masses equal to 14 gram. That means if you have to add 14 gram in this, you can get 30 gram. And both are equal. That means the concept of atomic masses, that is the difference of 14 grams in it, you can completely get discussed here. In terms of again propane here, this is C3H8 is here. That means 12 into 3 plus 1 into 8, 36 plus 8 is here is equal to 44. Again for this scenario you can add here 30 plus 14 is equal to 44. That means the concept of atomic weight, that means the concept of formula weight and the concept of the difference of CH2 group is completely merged. In terms of this series, for the formation, you have to write the another one configuration of homologous of alkene double bond configuration. The meaning of alkene, you have to discuss that the term of unsaturated hydrocarbon in which carbon and carbon join together by double bond configuration. There is the rearrangement of carbon-carbon is situated in terms of the double bond arrangement, and its general formula is, guys, general formula is CnH2n. The first compound is ethene here, that is C2H4 is this. Another one is propene here. In terms of the configuration of propene, first of all you have to discuss this note. That means for this formation of propene, you have to write here, this is C3H6. Apply the concept of homologous on it. That is your concept is vary with the formation CH2 group. You have to increase one carbon, that means the carbon becomes C2 from C3 and hydrogen becomes H4 from H6. That means the difference of CH2 group is completely merged. That means these all are the homologous. In terms of butene, you have to write C4H8 is there, another again CH2 difference. Carbon becomes C3 from C4 and hydrogen becomes H6 from H8 here. In terms of pentene, C5H10 is this. In terms of this concept, you have to again write here, this is CH2 group difference. That means the concept of CH2 group difference in their compound scenario is completely applicable on the homologous. For the concept of 14 gram in their formula mass difference, you can also merge this. You have to write the mass of this. This is C2H4, yani C2H4 is this. 12 into 2 plus 1 into 4. That is 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. 28 gram is the formula weight of ethene. Again for this, you can write here